Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a cool trick. As you can see, every door has a hole. Right there, a hole. You can see that? Right there, a hole. Right there, a hole. So, right there, a hole. So, can you guess why the holes are provided? Because it's a smart lock. As you can see. Oh man, I can hand. Okay, this one is opened. So when I try to make this again lock, it's impossible. So put the hand on the hole right there, pull. Now as you can see, it's automatically locked. Now it's I can't lock the door because I have the phone on my hand. So this is the trick. So make sure you like the trick. So subscribe. Bye bye.